Verse of the day, Matthew 16:24. Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross and follow me. This verse is a powerful statement about the cost of discipleship. It teaches that following Jesus is not a passive or easy journey. It requires a complete commitment, a willingness to deny ourselves, and embrace the challenges that come with living a life dedicated to Him. It means you must put your own desires, your own comfort, your own ambitions aside. Imagine a child holding on to a toy they love dearly. To follow the Lord, you must be willing to let go of that toy, to trust that He will give you something even better. It means you'll face challenges, difficulties, and even pain along the way. There will be times when you feel the weight of your commitment, when the path seems steep and the road ahead uncertain. The path of discipleship is not easy. It is a journey that requires sacrifice, commitment, and faith. The rewards are beyond measure. You will find peace, joy, and purpose in following me. You will discover a love that is deeper than any you have ever known. Let go of your fears. Embrace your cross will lead you to a life filled with abundance and eternal joy.